So from the results that we were able to tabulate in Form 35B, I want to declare Simiyu, Majimbo, Kalasinga, Joseph Wekesa as the member of National Assembly elect for Kabuchai Constituency. I would request him to come forward. I hand over the certificate to the winner officially. We have results of 123 polling stations out of 123 polling stations. Our total number of registered voters was 57,654. So the total number of votes cast translates to 29,798, which translates to a voter turnout of 51.68%. We had 320 rejected votes. So from
All right, a very good morning to you. Of course, we come to you live in the backdrop of the just concluded by-elections in various constituencies and wards across the country. Keen to note Kabuchai constituency and Matungu constituency among them that was touted as a litmus test come the 2022 general election. Of course, we've just played you a clip where the winner in the Kabuchai constituency has just been declared. The Ford Kenya candidate, Simiyu Joseph Wekesa, right there, was declared the winner of that particular election. We'll definitely continue covering this latest developments, even as we appreciate the fact that Antonin Zuki of UDA won 38%.